If one visualization changed your identity, you would already live a different life. Your self-concept has a baseline. One spike does not move the line. Identity shifts through repetition and proof. Here are 3 practical ways to move the baseline, not just spike it once. Do small actions aligned with the identity you want. I call her You 2.0. Your nervous system trusts behavior more than vision boards. Remove phrases where you downgrade yourself. Speak as the version of you who already expects and receives different outcomes. Change what surrounds you. Your space feeds your identity every single day. Identity changes when your self-concept baseline changes, and your identity shapes your reality.